Welcome, in front of me is a Axon 10 Pro, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode and also remove a screen lock on top of that. So I'm going to quickly lock the device so you can see that I have a pattern set, and I'm going to press from here as though I don't know the pattern to it. So hold power key and select power off and simply wait for the device to shut off. Now once the device shuts off, you want to hold the power key and the volume up, both of them at the same time. And when you see the ZTE logo, you can let go. So from here, let's select wipe data by just simply tapping on it, and then tap on factory reset. It gives you a message right here, it relays all your personal information and downloaded apps. You can't undo this action. It basically removes everything that you have put on the device and only the pre-installed applications remain. So from here, let's tap on reset, begins formatting, and it's a quick process. You can see it's already finished. So from here, let's go back to previous page and select reboot system, and this will continue the process in the background. So it will take a little bit longer for the device to power back on to Android, but once it has, we should be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.